Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to set Memoji as contact poster on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily create a photo contact or contact poster using Memoji. Go ahead and launch your Contacts app. Now tap on My Card. And here tap on Contact, Photo and Poster, and here make sure to enable name and photo sharing. Then tap on Edit and let's create a new poster. And here all you have to need, select Memoji, and here you can create a brand new Memoji using your face. Just tap on this camera icon to scan your face, but I'm going to selecting a random emoji from this list and then tapping on Next. And here we can see the Memoji has been added. Now if you want to change these poster background color, just tap on this color box, and from here you will be able to select a different color. Now tap on your name or number, and from here you will be able to customize your name or number. Then just tap on Done and tap on Continue. And you can add a contact photo here. If you want to use a different photo from your gallery, just tap here. Once done, as you can see, I've successfully created a contact poster using Memoji. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.